Hi, so today I'm going to be making a feather button hat. This one's going to be red. I've sewn on the headband already and finished off the little button disc. What else you need is some feathers, and I'm going to show you how to cut those in a minute, and some flowers. You can make them yourself or you can pre-buy them like that. A little felt patch like this. I'll show you that's for later. A small knife or big knife, whatever you like. Stanley knife will work as well. And some coke feathers. Well, it's up to you, and the colours are also up to you, of course. Right, so this is how we're going to cut the feather. So it ends up like this. Basically, you S the cut going down. Just going to keep very close to the spine of the feather, and kind of the cuts a centimetre apart. See if that worked, and then you can pull that. You got a stripe of it, and do the same on the other side. I'm going to cut off the fluffy bits. And do that to these feathers as well. So I've finished cutting the feathers, and I've positioned them on the half of the felt shape and glued them down, and now I'm just going to glue the other half onto it. It should stay relatively in place. Then you got your little fan of feathers, which will sit on top like this with 3 roses. So I've added the roses on the front and the back, and it's finished. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more millinery videos. Thank you, bye.